Now that's a lot of water slides. You know what though? Sometimes you get a little hungry. Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at DreamWorks Water Park. We're at the American Dream Mall right outside of New York City, over on the Jersey side, of course. And we are doing our Let's Eat over here at DreamWorks. And pretty much just want to give you a heads up. This is in a mall, so the only food that we're going to be showing you is the stuff that happens to be inside of DreamWorks water park here. So if you're looking for like an Orange Julius out in the mall, we're not doing that. We're just going to be going over the different options inside the park here. And with that being said, if you look to your right, you're going to see how we break it down. Our first one is Signature. Now here, that's usually what we consider the best place to eat. Well, there's not many of those options here. So pretty much not really many signature restaurants, are basically mostly snack bars. Second one, of course, is table service. That's where you sit down. Waitress takes your order and they bring the food out to you. Yet again, that is not an option over here at DreamWorks. But what you do have a lot of is what we call the quick serves. Quick serves are the ones that basically you go there, you pick your food, they cook it for you, you get it, and you move on. And that's why at least there's snack bars and actual bars. So sit back and relax as we go through all the different food options over here at DreamWorks Water Park at the American Dream Mall. All right, so the main snack bar is called Beach Haven. And you come over here, and they've got mozzarella, trolls, ice cream, the whole 9 yards here. So this is basically the pizza place here. And over here's where you can actually order. And if you look over here, cheese pizza is $17, a pepperoni is $19, sausage is $19, meat lovers is $19. They also got subs. They got $15 meatball, $14 ham, turkey, $15 Italian, and veggie is $13. And they have salads, a market salad for $14 and Caesars for $14. So all in all here, this is your main place. They have nachos for $14 and tacos for $12. But the good thing about it is they got plenty of seating here. So when you grab your food, you can sit back and eat it. But like I said, the meatball sandwich actually sounds pretty good. But this would be your main place to grab food here at DreamWorks. All right, so we're over here in the back. Right here's the tubes and stuff going up for the mat slides. And nestled back here is what they call the Burger Shack. All right, so this is not open today because it's a Wednesday. But I want to give you guys an idea of the different food options here because there's a lot of neat stuff here. So let me go right there. First thing is you got the Dream Burger for $14, which is the California burger. The Move It Burger for $17. You've got chicken nuggets for $13, empanadas for $11, 2 pieces of those. Nachos for $14, Clucking Good Sandwich for $14. You've got Blazing Buffalo Sandwich for looks like $15, barbecue chicken for $16, French fries 7, cheese fries 12, and then bucket of fries, stuff like that, nacho fries, aqua dog for $8. So they got a lot of different food aspects here. But what caught my eye over here was the fact that you've got this seating area back here, which works out well. So you order where I showed you, and then you actually pick up here at a different window. But that is during the weekends, it's open. It's called the Burger Shack, right over here at DreamWorks. All right here is the wave pool. But we're here to show you all the different food options. And over here, right by the entrance of the Far, Far Away Bay, is actually a bar that is closed today because it is a Saturday here. But here you can get a lot of different drinks, colorful seats and stuff like that. They got real iced tea, vodka, and all that kind of stuff here. But this looks to be where they have drinks during the weekends and stuff like that. And you got plenty of seating right up against here. So all in all, it is a great place to grab a drink. Don't have a name for the bar, but there is a bar there. And a Dippin' Dots automatic for $6. That's not bad for Dippin' Dots. All right, as soon as you get into the park, not joking, right there, Shrek, they have Trolls Icing Cream. So that's a tough thing to say there, but this is where you can get all your different ice creams here. You got soft serve for $9, funnel cake for $9, churros sundae for $14, funnel cake, and also you got hot coffee and iced coffee for $6 and $7 each. Also got some snacks there on the side here, but the biggest thing about this is how nicely decorated it is. It looks like a giant birthday cake here. So this is probably your main snack bar, Trolls Icing Cream. So if you're interested in getting some ice creams, they also have the typical ones that you can buy there too. But you also get Waffleicious, syrup, caramel, chocolate, raspberry. They're $9, build your own waffle and stuff like that. It comes with a stick. So kind of a unique thing, haven't seen that before. And then once again, their assorted ice cream pops to $7. Funnel Cake Supreme is $14. So that's all the pricing here. And great location right outside the Kids Splash Zone. So that is your main snack bar here when you're at the water park. All right, so there you go. All the different food options that you have here when you visit DreamWorks Water Park over here in American Dream Mall. Anything there catch your eye? For me, it had to be the meatball subs. That was definitely by far, for me, the most unique item they had here. But let us know in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to see more of these videos on Let's Eat or walkthroughs, the whole 9 yards, make sure you definitely check us out and subscribe here on the YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and we'd love for you to be part of it here. So once again, guys, thank you for watching, and that is Let's Eat at DreamWorks Water Park at American Dream.